Oh no, pick it up. Help him out. Pick it up. Brooklyn, help him.
So not pretty. And that is not pretty too.
Brooklyn, the ground is wet. It's not gonna hurt you. Lucas. Lucas, wait till she finishes putting it on there, buddy.
Holy cow! Hi, let me, Lukey. Let me feel it.
Don't cry if he gets you.
I don't care. It's the right time. Wait, Lukey, can I borrow that button for a minute? Hey, can I borrow it for a minute?
Ooh, careful, buddy.
Get it for me, Luke.
Brooklyn, it's just water. You're fine.
You better run. You better hide. Here I come. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. I'm gonna get my groove. I'm gonna get you right now.
Stay not on the deck. Lukey, back on the grass. Brooklyn, not on the deck. Lukey, come on the grass.
Oh, the whole hair! I got him. Oh, soaked. I totally got him soaked, right?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to pay back on. Watch this. Yeah, remember. Let's put it right now. Luke, come here for a minute. Luke, come here for a minute. Come here. Turn around. Face the flowers. No looking. No look.
Now let him do it. Hey, let him do it to you now.
No.
Oh, that's not very fair, is it? Brooklyn. Well, tough.
Stop!
Okay, let me see it. Let me see the bucket. Wait. Wait.
No.
Hold on. Brooklyn, fair is fair.
Wait. Stop. Stop.
Okay, you're even, Lucas. Enough.
Stop.
All right, buddy, all done. You're wasting all the water.